But I want to say this. If you have a couple of times and describing the for any pony, the only thing. Obi obe criticize the area no be asani pan o ni pa boni ni awon ni atenka
the body bags yes
yeah the gum mi ansam nane baby e ko e no you see afa helicopter mra entimi lande
abusia Kumasi Mayor say sebi empreduasa one trend TV social media other platforms ekoka say sebi kwenhia na isiye on the 6th of August emuna omde koku boto ekosesa ye no wa wo kan bie anase wa wo go speak bia sebi empreduasa onye nipa hey eya asem obusia ahaya bedum Ghana so any first time let's show pass or subscribe be like and if you will leave you comment comment section ho and so the amay memory fee so be turn notification on say they be any update any upload be abusia on the first person was ebidi kanaka.
Now I want to say something briefly about yawa yenuanoma omatofom omoma de omowe no enemo na ma so say you careful about your sentiment any kasa yenya yetie yenim kwanya yebefa so ayebeko na yenyina ye nchebo ye nkasi so indeed yeah discussions yeah can answer on social media we should be very sensitive to what the affected families are going through. Now throughout I have tried never to pass a comment because I made many who are there and want some kind of thing. But I want to say this. If you have a couple of times and describing the for any pony, the only thing. Obi obe criticize the area no be asani pan or any pony ni awon ya thing. And who told you that we did not go with body bag? And who told you we didn't have them? Who told you we didn't have them? So anybody or doubt can contact the managing director of Anglo and the medical director of Anglo Good Health Hospital. I am the person that called for those things, and Anglo made them available.
Ebusia bridge kesia a boy here on the 6th of August. Nedani ye Wednesday. Oyune kesia ebesensen Ghana kum a helicopter echo crash here. Eno enenam so ama Kumasi Mayor so den sembia obetubia o che say before say helicopter de cry ebe crash no na omodi kan ne pilot no enya encounter bibra na o che say opese usi form den so said the yana ewie mbobre ne city ne ntine ama ne ntimi hu report ya na ontimi nyina o make several attempt na opese wugina ensemi bibre ena Kumasi Mayor Richard Ofori edi atudwa abusia medibi eba ebedaimo.
Oh, in fact, chief, we cried your reporters pictures of the brain, videos of the brain. Later we saw the body bags. Yes,
yeah, the gum, me and Sam Nani. Baby, a queer no, you are seeing for helicopter, intimate landing. Yentimi for motor, yentimi for Vidian. Who helicopter, you know, 2 helicopters at the Kumasi airport standing by. 2 military helicopters, the helicopter and the CASA, they were all stationed at the Kumasi airport, standing by for evacuation. But who the back could have people now? Who so any? Who the fire any? And mind you, it's a forest zone, and the weather conditions and conducive armor plane and many safe landing. The aircraft went to the Lenkley airstrip on 2 occasions. Went to a free stadium on 2 occasions. The weather did not allow for landing. It is nobody in his right frame of mind with that in that prevailing condition will send another aircraft there.
Oh,
when the weather had not improved.
Make key efforts and come landing.
Make key efforts on landing. And Samuel Abwadi was speaking with the NCE for Boise on the aircraft. Yeah, call Esther Bumpa Meka and Maho. Yes, and you call for the Bumpa Meka and Maho. So they made 2 attempts at the airstrip in Obasi. They made 1 attempt at the Ferry Stadium. What I say?
Wow.
In the Yenia, you call the best, we didn't know more. The best bottom cramp, it will be young for no one get me for Mumba. Condition fire, this is wrong. People should not compel us to explain at the end of the picture, because maybe or or more addition and in view. No may torture or more giving or man with explanations. We should rather commend only our call for the bravery that they showed that day. The fire servicemen that went to the side because all Konopan end up from if we could move to the belly of the mountain and yet halo. It's a mountain we are talking about. The holding or the 1 hour 30 minutes never climbing. Only a holding seminar only 2 hours and never climbing. So the effort that we made to get the people down and be able to raise 8 coffins within a space of 45 minutes. And give them dignity by transporting them to Accra. People should commend the effort of the people who led the process. They should commend what we are going through. Don't nobody. Let's read. The commentary should be one that comforts the affected family. We should not be compelled to be explaining what transpired on that day. Oh yes, sir. Now there are a lot of the mental picture that we should not create on the minds of the affected victims. Which there are some pictures they should not have. And can one we need to be a city. Papa woman, woman, most of the explanation and the family do not need to know exactly what has gone on because it will be difficult for them to have closure in their minds. So let's help manage the psychology of the survivors of this accident victim, Miss Remo. Ghana for yes, Remo. Mama Yangini, Omo Yuni, Omo May a discussion. I think the other say analysis. Whether church, no man will be good. Who chance picture be out to, a bias car, oh, simple, a bit masha.
Just in fact, a revelation out there, my no pay and I'm just looking at it.
A bit masha.
Say, yeah,
idea, yeah, who know you miss to know. Yame, and now on him quiet or far so bonipa. Late me friend so maybe I knew, and so can I see me now could go nothing. Yame, and no bonipa. No name quiet or far so,
I agree with you. I agree with you. From afar, people, the other things that man for kick on social media.
Okay, kind now can the elder. Open kind. Who means the terrain? No? You don't even know what we have gone through. In the air corner, he said, training in radar. In the air corner, not air corner, air plane. Young was there with you. Wow,
in fact,
the first thing we must do is to look for survivors. Because if we got there, we felt that we could identify 4 people alive. Because there are in this case, honorable guy, but mom, you can call we identify 4 people. So our hope was that we'll find 4 alive. And our effort was geared towards finding people alive, not identifying the dead. So when we were confronted with the bare fact that now we can't have anybody alive, then we ought to look at how we are going to transport them in their condition now. If I walk home,
in fact, yes. Say
the good thing is that whichever state we found them in, you can describe it. Those who get that, you need national awards. But a common fund, the Yakopon shower.
Yeah.
I think that as government, we should go and do something to honor that town.
Yeah, no, Dr. Samuel Fie can't say.
A common fund. Yeah, they were marvelous. Obi Eton Wellington Book. Maybe they call them one this car.
Wow.
The deal now, or come on now. Let's say the intimate for body bags and funnel. On my cocoa sacks, I'm so much we took around 26 from him. We changed it 3 times to get to the belly of the mountain. But on at the time, Trebe me and Saturday, what the woman to take me aside Jeff of Aqua, near Cosses Sun. Near Banet is near Sanko friend. What some might be.
Chilling.
We made a pot of praise in one day and this cup.
Chief, the Kakrawa can I be chilling. I mean, chilling.
We should tone down on the analysis.
That's it. Near when you also come out when you don't can have full na then the Rina Omonina. Omonina, oh, come on, say.
May anyone work as any people higher for places as well? You can't count.
I don't want to say population census. You can't be no car.
You can't even carry a penny or Ghana. I can't work a Ghana for.
Oh, but sir, Ghana, dear, for us to understand, for us to understand categories of people, I want to.
Utiene casa, no free ni party BM. Because you can't nipa can kind or more come or kind only a tinker only party BM. They got a do a population yes sense of like idea. They do the other station and actually a kind of mark. Thank you, young kind of mark because what the local population are made to place in the group.
Came my phone see I were home to the help my fast with you.